everyone! I hope that you are fine today, and we also will have some fun in our English class today. Let us sing our opening song, Hello Song. Hello everybody, I am glad to see you. Hello, hello, hello to you and you and you and you. One more time. Hello everybody, I am glad to see you. Hello, hello, hello to you and you and you and you. We are in the class, right? Okay, look. I will show you this. Can you see what are inside the box? Can you see? Let's say together. The ball is in the box. Good. Oh, I have this too. The pencil is in the box. And how about this? The crayon also in the box. If I put the box here, so what can we say? The box is on the table. What are else more on table? Can you see? Beside this? Oh! The scissors are on the table too. And also the papers also on the table. And what is this? What is this? It's a shelves. Shelves. What can you see on the shelves? What are the things on the shelves? Can you see? Oh yeah! Look! The hoops is on the shelves. Yeah, also this. The computer is on the shelf. And also you can see here. The books are on the shelves. So you've known the difference between in and on. The ball is in the box. The scissors is on the table. One more time. The crayon is in the box. The papers are on the table. And then you will do the activity on your book, page 4. Page 4, cut out, look and trace, paste. You will find at the back on page 109. You will find out the pictures here on page 109, and then you will cut out these parts, but you have to save the rest ya, jangan dibuang sisanya ya, ini masih dipakai. You just cut it and then you will paste. You will paste here according to its picture, and you will say, example, the box and the ball. The picture is the ball is in the box. You will say the sentences and you will send me the video. After you're done with this, you can turn to the next page. On page 5, okay, we will count together. How many scissors do you see here? How many scissors? Let's count. 1, 2. And then how many circles are here? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 circles. And how many jungle gym here? How many? Yeah, only 1. So, here are the numbers. This is number 1. You will trace it down. This is number 2. And this is number 3. And then you will match the numbers and the quantity. Now we will learn the chant about the numbers. Okay, you will repeat the chant together.
Numbers 1, 2, 3 chant.
This number is 1. This number is 1. 1. This number is 2. 2. This number is 2. 1, 2, 2. This number is 3. 3. This number is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I will send you the audio and then you will do listen, point at numbers and say. And then you will do match. And you will send me also the video and the pictures. So we will end our class for today. Let us sing our goodbye song. Goodbye teacher, goodbye friends, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Bye K1, God bless you.